Hello friends, now I'm going to show you how to replace the screen on Sony Vaio laptop. First, take a look in the four corners of the display. We have to remove these rubber covers. They are four, with a small flat screwdriver. And one more. Now unscrew the four screws which are beneath these rubber covers. I have to take a smaller screwdriver. One, two, and the last one here. Now we have to remove this front bezel. Carefully, just pull it out. It's easy, it is not so hard. And lift it up. Here we reach our display. There are four screws here and four screws here. Which we have to unscrew to remove the display from these metal brackets. When we pull a little, we see that we have to unscrew these screws on the hinges to release a little bit this last screw, which is down here. Maybe 1.5 turn or something like that. That's it. We have access to this last screw. Unscrew all of the screws here. Okay, and from the other side, And the last one here. That's it. Now disconnect this cable. And that's it. This is our old display. We will replace it with a new. Just follow these instructions in a reverse order and you are done. That's it. Thank you very much and good luck.